It's been a week since Brickersville opened. The open sign has been repaired. Here we are. It's a little bit disheveled. We haven't cleaned up from yesterday yet, but some things remain the same. And here is our current project, which Mayor Jessie is working with NC Fox, and it is amazing. A collaborative mock built as a showpiece to sell our birds from which we can sell our birds. Pretty neat, right? This one should make it into a movie. The doors open, and it's fairly sturdy, pretty sturdy. So might have to have a very destructive pair of hands to break it. And then this is NZ's roof texture. Very nice. Here it is over here too. Made with corner plates. Corner plates. Nice. Some things are wearing a little. Computers are set up now. Working on our software installs. Our Hall of Fame has gotten some new models. NZ has his own shelf. This is my shelf. Jessie, Mayor Jessie's. And here is our smart city. Also a little disheveled, but we have some works in progress here. We have 2 battleships that are forming. There's a whole boat scene headed out to the Cactus Island. The dinosaurs are having a field day on the pyramid. The Bat Cave is getting a little worn. Thankfully, no one has taken off with any of the Batman figures. Staircase to Turkey. Pretty neat, huh? And that is our target for our first nickel arcade game. So they stand in here, and one of the kids donated arrows and arrows and a target set. And we are working on setting up a game system. Nice. Cool. Roof tile designs as delivered by NC Fox.